Online assessment refers to the evaluation of student learning through digital platforms. This can include quizzes, tests, projects, and other forms of assessment delivered and completed online. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up online assessments in the Author system. Additionally, I'll demonstrate how you can obtain your certificate upon achieving the Blended Learning PTG status. First, click on the Assessment tab. Next, select Create New Assessment. Provide a name for the online assessment. Set the mode according to the type of assessment you wish to create. Enter the SLT student learning time. The new assessment will be created, but it will appear in red, indicating that it is not yet visible to students. To make it visible, click on the red icon. Finally, set the start and end time for the assessment. After setting the start time, it will become visible here. Next, set the end time. You will be directed to the Update Assessment box. Tick the checkbox next to End Date Time. Set the date and time. If you want to hide the assessment from students after the deadline, click the checkbox for that option. Don't forget to click Update. Now, the assessment settings are complete. Next, let's add questions. Click on the assessment name. Within the assessment, you can add notes and questions. Click Add Note to provide instructions for the students. Write your instructions in the text box and click Save. Next, click Create New Question to add a question. You can choose the type of question before proceeding. In this video, we'll focus on objective type questions. Make sure to have your questions prepared in advance. Copy the question and paste it into the text box. Set the full marks for the question. Click Save. To add answer choices, click Add Answer option. Copy and paste the answer choices into the text box. To add more options, simply click Add Answer option again. Continue this process until all the options are inserted. Once you've finished adding all the options, click on the correct answer. Then, click Update. Scroll up to preview the multiple choice question. To add another question, click on Create New Question. Well done! You've successfully set up an online assessment. Next, I'll show you how to enable students to submit a report through the Author system. Report submission is also considered an online assessment, so it will contribute to the SLT. First, navigate to the Assessment tab. Click Create New Assessment. Set the assessment name to Report Submission or another suitable title. Next, set the SLT. For this, estimate how much time students will need to complete the report from scratch. Once you've determined the time duration, enter it in minutes. For this example, I'll set it to 400 minutes. Click Save. After the assessment is created, make it visible to the students by clicking on the red icon. Next, click on the assessment name to add instructions. Click Add Note, write the instructions, and then click Save. Then, click Create New Question. Set the mode to Upload PDF file. Remember, you need to click Save first to enable the Upload button. In the text box below, you can provide more detailed instructions. You can use word formatting to make the text look presentable. Next, set the full marks for the submission. Click Save. Now, you'll see that the Upload PDF file button is visible. Click Close. To make the notes and instructions visible to the students, click on the eye icon. To preview, go to the Assessment tab and click on the assessment name. Now, you'll see how the students will submit their reports. Well done! You've set up another assessment for the students. Continue this process until the total SLT for the assessment reaches approximately 450 minutes. Remember to refresh the browser to update the total SLT and PTG percentage. When everything is complete, you'll notice the PTG indicator turns green, showing that you've achieved PTG status. You can generate the PTG report by clicking the printer icon. A report will be generated, which you can save. Finally, you can also generate the achievement certificate. Simply click on the certificate icon, and voila!
Congratulations!
Thank you for watching, and until we meet again.